Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix the Bumpy international dating app not working. So if you're having problems that your Bumpy dating app that it's not working for you and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So this is, by the way, I had the exact same problem myself, so this is how I fixed it. I firstly closed the Bumpy app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So I'm just going to go back to my homepage right here. Then I scroll down in here and then I clicked on general. So as you can see, you should now be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So now what I did on this page is that I scrolled down and then I clicked on storage right here. And then I just simply waited a couple of seconds for this page to completely load. So we're just going to wait a couple of seconds and then for all the apps to load basically. And then we're going to scroll up like this until you can see the search bar up top. So click on search for Bumpy in here. Oh, sorry, Bumpy like this. And then you're going to click on offload app. And once again, click on offload app in here. And now we're just going to simply wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load and then click on reinstall app button. And then just wait for your Bumpy app now to completely update to its latest version. So basically by doing this, you're going to force the Bumpy app to update to its absolute most up-to-date version. So I guess that sometimes when they release like a new update maybe and we haven't yet gotten it, then that might be one of the reasons why the app is not working for us right now. And by the way, this should not log you out of your account, at least it didn't for me. So now when it says upload app for you here again, that means that the process is finished. You can go back into the app and hopefully now it's going to work for you as well.